Hello guys, what is up? It's your boy, Phelan, and today on Build a Boat, I'm going to be showing you all the secrets that I know. So, let me just build my flying boat glitch, because that's the easiest one. That's how I got all this stuff, not my accessories and stuff, you know that you're not stupid, freaking, I don't really know who is. No, not that. This, ha ha ha. Got that Godo Shrek game. Okay. So now you're gonna wanna place a hint. Here we go. Let's watch. So yeah, I'll show you on the next one, the Toxic Waste one. Okay, so goddamn, hold on. Oh wait, oh that reminds me, I can show you how to get the plushie. You're gonna go right here. Whee. So just do these mega easy codes. So just do this. Boom. You want to do green right here. And then you're gonna wanna do magenta right here. And yeah, that's how you get the plushie. You just reset my character. So next one is probably my favorite one. Not my favorite one. The one that's my favorite is actually the one that you get the portals with. I'll show you that one. That's you can get the free 4 portals. You have to do so a little bit shooting the crystals. That's my favorite one. It's so fun to do when you shoot the crystals. It's so exciting. It's just so exciting. You shoot the crystals. I don't know. It's just so fun. It's just so cool. It's my favorite one. Because obviously, you can hear me. You got the freaking portals, man. Just grab my jetpack. Oh, where's my stupid jetpack? Here. Okay, now we're gonna want to grab a hand cannon. I want to have this in my inventory, just in case. Okay, there. Watch. Yeah, it looks like we're about ready. So come on, let me have the back of my inventory. Yes, there. So this is probably my most favorite one because duh, you get this. No, it's not my favorite one. Why do I keep saying this one's my favorite one? Okay, it's here. Okay, after this one. Okay, hold on. Okay, come on, destroy the butter block. Destroy. Yep. Yeah, it's right there. Hold on, let me just grasp it. Okay. So then, if you shoot it. No! Come on! Yes. Okay, good. God dang, yo, I almost died. Okay, yeah, I think we got it. We might have got it. Let's go see. Yep, we got it, okay? Come on, let me just throw my back. Okay. We got it. And then when you go in there, you will get 2 free Ultra Thrusters. Okay? I know 2 is not that much, but hey, at least you got some. Okay? So just go right in there and claim it. Okay, let me come like this. Oh, that's you. Alright, I'm back. Okay, so now we are just going to we have to go look for some servers so we can get the Crystal Cave one. Because, like, it's almost my most favorite one. How cool is that? Okay, let's go server hop and we have to see if it's in there, if it's in there. Okay, are we, wait, is this the same one? Like, but I cannot tell. Let's just see. I was not even paying attention to the people who were on here, so. No, this is not the same. Wait, yeah, this is the same one. I'm pretty sure, yeah, this looks like the same one, so gotta go server hop some more. Well, it's probably not the same one, but I don't really care. It does not have the Crystal Cave stage. We need to get the secret portal from you. Okay, because you're the best thing. You're the hero, okay? You are the hero. Okay, let's see. I'm just gonna place a wooden block. Okay, place one. Yep. Oh, and that reminds me. I'll show you how to get the worthy one. Yeah, I'll show you how to get the worthy one. Worthy one. Worthy one. Worthy one. For this one, we're just it's very easy indeed. Indeed it is. I can't wait till I have 600 gold blocks and then I'm rich as hell. Okay, come on. I want the stupid coal box. Okay, give me the coal. Coal. Worthy one. Okay, yep, I just made a new song. It's called Worthy One One. Worthy One. Okay, come on, bro. We need that. We need that, okay? Okay, first off, what is okay? Hey, yo, that's kind of sus how you're looking at it. Those like two cheeks. Okay, that's what that was really that was way too far. That was way too far. Okay, that was way too far. Launch. Okay, we have to go to that little house stage. Okay, we're just gonna speed there because like I don't really care. I'm not trying to get gold. I'm trying to help you guys out and show you how to get these plushies. These little plushies and secrets. Like, it's actually very easy to get them. Okay. Way too fast. Okay, that was way too fast. We almost probably, if I didn't slow down, we would probably make. Okay, we're here. Okay, we're here. We are here as we speak. We are here. We are here. Okay. Okay. The reason why we have the jetpack on is so if we get flinged back. And I haven't actually got the Worthy One plushie, so. So here we are, the Worthy One plushie. Let's kill ourselves. Oh, okay, we're stuck now. Hey, what? Wait, we're dead and flying. Yeah, we're okay. That was brutal right there. That was super brutal. Okay, I'm like, okay. Okay, let's keep server hopping and see if we can find that stupid crystal cave stage. And if you're wondering, at the end of the video, why didn't you do the breakaway branch ones? Well, because there is no breakaway branch one anymore. There used to be, but not anymore. Okay, used to be, but just not anymore. Okay, I know it sucks. It sucks. Okay, now I know for sure we're not on the same server. Okay, not on the same server. Sorry that you didn't, boy. Okay, bro. What do you mean? What do you mean? Yes, I want to launch. I want to see if the crystal is the crystal. Okay, now the crystal is not here. Crystal not here. Crystal not here. Crystal not here. Crystal not here. Oh, I'll show you how to get the potions. Why did I just press leave? I'm such an idiot. I was gonna show you how to get the free potions. Like, free potions, okay? Yeah, I'll show you how to get the free potion. It's actually very easy. So you don't even, there's really nothing you have to do. You just have to go on the thing, this big one that you go into, and then there's this little big cave that you go into. Hold on. Remember, in the fungus stage, not the new one, but like the old one, like not the super new one. Like there's those little holes things, and there's like kind of like little water hole things. You go into like the I think the second one on your right. I'm pretty sure it's the second one on your right, and then you just walk into there, and then you have to do this little specific code. Only two things that you have to go through this. Okay. Oh, all reminds me. I'll show you how to get the Zeg plushie. Okay, no, I'm not pressing that again. Okay, Zeg plushie. know what you have to do for this one? I think you just have to push the start button and then you just play. Okay, like I want to get all the plushies. Like, bro, I got the. I almost got every plushie. I just need one more. What's this one called? I know it's the worthy one, but what? Oh, a plushie 2. Plushie 1. This is plushie 2. So it would go 1, 2, 3, and then the last one is a Zeg. Zeg, you better not fail me this time, I'm just kidding. Zeg's not an idiot. He's a contributor, I think. Okay, but I wish I was Zeg. Like I literally wish I was him. But they're gonna be like, ha ha, yeah, me. I don't really care, bro. I'm not gonna break my heart, Amy. You're not gonna break my heart. Like, this sounds kind of weird. Like, you're not gonna break my heart. Like, okay, just because I'm not you, that's not gonna break my heart. Zeg. I have a cross because I am not a sin. I'm not a sin, bruh. I am a Christian. Yeah, I'm a Christian. Like Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, okay. Hopefully this works. If you jump too high, I don't think we'll actually be in the stages to do it. Oh, whoa, what is that thing? That's actually huge. How did they? Okay, this stupid thing messed me up. Okay, messed me up. Okay. And the clock's gonna be the same timing because like whatever time it is, it's gonna be the same thing. Because okay, here it is. Here it is. Okay. Thank you for breaking my block. I needed them broke. Yeah, it's destroyed me. Okay. Is there like a coin I need? I need a break. What? Okay, yeah, you just started up, and that's how you get the plushie. Like, okay, that's how you get it right there. Just gonna start it up. Okay, and so let me just yeah. Okay, just gonna buy that. Yeah, this is how you get all the good stuff. Like, you just times it, and then you get a lot of coins. If you're lucky, you may get the yellow chest. I have, like. So yeah, here we go. So that's whatever. Pretty nice, pretty good items. For a starter, that would be pretty good items. Like for a code, that would be pretty good items. That would be a really good one. That would be like a really good one. I don't even know who Priscilla is. No, you may not be on my team. I did not know who you are. Wait, was it Princess? It was Princess. Who the heck's name is Princess? I don't see any Princess. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.